Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to fix Instagram Notes feature not working. First of all, open the App Store. Now search for Instagram. Make sure that Instagram is up to date. Now open up Instagram. As you can see, the notes aren't working. Go to your profile. Click on Menu in the top right corner. Go into Settings and Privacy. Now search for Activity Status. Turn on Activity Status. Refresh your Instagram. Go back to the Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to the Help section. Click on Report a Problem. And then click on Include and Continue. Write what I've written here and then click on Send. Now your notes should be working. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.